Ready to unlock the power of e-commerce for your business in South Africa? This is your ultimate guide to setting up and dominating with Shopify, right here, right now. Step 1. Dive into Shopify's user-friendly platform and build your store. Select a professional theme that resonates with South African aesthetics and easily add your products. Complete with compelling descriptions and high-quality images. Think about what makes your offerings unique to the local market. Next, let's talk payments. South Africa has fantastic local payment gateways. Shopify integrates seamlessly with options like PayFast, Peach Payments, and other popular providers, giving your customers secure and familiar checkout experiences. Shipping is crucial. Explore Shopify's shipping settings to configure options that work best for your business and customers. You can set up local delivery within cities, national shipping across South Africa, and even explore partnerships with local couriers for reliable and cost-effective delivery. Now, let's get customers through your virtual doors. Leverage marketing strategies tailored for South Africa. Utilize social media platforms popular here, like Facebook and Instagram. With targeted campaigns, consider email marketing for special promotions and build customer loyalty through excellent service. By understanding and catering to the unique needs and preferences of South African shoppers, from preferred payment methods to reliable shipping, you're not just building a store. You're building a successful e-commerce empire. Expand your market reach today with Shopify.